Well, good morning, everybody. Anthony here. Alright, so I've still been getting a lot of hate on my comments, even though I pinned the video explaining my speech impediment. But hey, none of that matters. But it seems like everyone is still trying to promote other people's cryptocurrency trading platform. They're posting the comments in my section saying, "Oh my God, thank you, sir, whoever's." And then, I messaged a couple of them, and they're trying to get me to trade with them on their crypto. They're earning tens of thousands of dollars a month. I'm like, that's awesome. And then they lie about the tax bracket they're in because they don't know what the hell they're talking about. Because cryptocurrency trading does not provide you with any tax write-offs. And yeah, it can make you a lot of money. Trading can make you a lot of money. But you need to have tax write-offs in order to not pay a massive tax bill from all your earnings. Because trading is just like earned income. It's taxed at the highest rate. But hey, they know what they're talking about. They're so awesome. They're so great. They're so profitable. But they're only paying 18% taxes. But that's not even one of the tax brackets you'd be paying. And then you're earning $10,000 at least monthly. That puts you in the 23% tax bracket. So don't just spill stuff to talk. You get people to do stuff with you because you're getting a percentage of the other person's earnings. Yeah, that's great. The other person earns 95% and they get a 5% commission for trading with them. Cool. But if it was so profitable, why are not the other people who are succeeding referring their friends instead of you having people cold pitch your trading platform by commenting on other people's TikTok videos? Something seems a little shady. Shady sales tactic is what ruins the industry and ruins reputation for other people. But hey, if it works, it works. Must be doing something right because they're still doing it. But like I said, that's like what I do. I help people get more out of life by either benefiting from the tax write-offs and the residual income produced by building a home-based referral marketing business, or they get the benefits of the physical products to enhance their health. So like I told the lady that was trying to pitch me her trading platform, I only work with people who work for me. She said, well, let's work together. So I'm like, okay, cool. Send her the free link to create a free shopper account. I might go on there, look around. If you see some stuff you like that can enhance your health, get them. And the response, because she just wanted me to trade with her so she can earn off of me. But like I said, if you're earning so much money through your trading endeavors, that's awesome. You probably want to enhance your health so you can live longer and enjoy the profits from your trading. It takes you 10 to 25 minutes a day. Cool. Personally, I simply enjoy my life and share something I'm personally benefiting from. If you want to benefit as well, go for it. It's referral marketing. I don't cold pitch, I don't work leads, I don't spam people. If somebody wants more out of life, I share with them whether they can get more out of life. If they want to take advantage of the message and utilize it, they can. If not, they keep doing whatever the hell they're doing and hopefully it gets better for them. But like I tell people all the time, if you're not willing to change, nothing in your life is going to change. Change is a choice, and you have to make the choice. So if you'd like some information about this amazing industry and how you can change your life and get more out of life without having to cold pitch, prospect, random strangers, but instead simply share with your network of friends something you're personally benefiting from, so they choose they can benefit as well, go for it. And if you're part of the no friends left community, yes, you can talk to strangers, you can talk to people you meet at gas stations, or like me, I've helped out most people I actually are in my close network, so they've either been customers, business partners. But if I do the gig economy, I go about my day making deliveries, whether it's for Grubhub, picking up food. I meet a lot of people that don't own their lives and would like more in life, so I simply share with them a way where they can get it. If they want to take advantage of it, it's on them to take action. I can't change their lives for them. Now I can help them, and I can share a vehicle that'll help them change their lives, but they have to take the action. So if you want to take the action, let me know. Request some information. I'll send you some educational materials so you can educate yourself. And don't forget to like, subscribe, follow, comment, all that beautiful stuff. TikTok, I messed up yesterday, but My stepson helped me out yesterday, so I got back up and running, so y'all be great. And then finish this walk, go to their office, get some more coffee. Y'all be great.